as you can see to here. There's the tie-up. It has stopped raining. However, there's a launch ramp way down there. I don't even know if we can get down in there. See, there's those signs that I'd mentioned yesterday. Keep on walking down this way. See, here's the back parking lot. There's a trailer. If you guys remember, this is where we park our trailers after you launch. Quite a bit of water. It has stopped raining. I don't know how far I can walk on down here. I got boots on. It's flooded all the way up into here. I'm gonna need chest waders on just to get down to the river. See, that's how close we are to the... I don't even know if we can get down in here. I think it's walkable. Yeah, I don't know. I'm about boot deep height right now. There's the two signs for reference. Water's at the top of that one post where we tie the skiffs to. Could make for interesting fishing. Hey, bye.